Hello, welcome back guys to Spotaria channels here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to change accessibility button on Motorola G06 Power. But before it, I hope you guys click subscribe and the bell button to support the channel. And yeah, now without any further ado, let's get started to the video. Well guys, first thing first here, of course, I'm gonna activate first the accessibility button or the shortcut. Here I'm gonna open the settings, and now in the settings, scroll it down until we'll find the accessibility options. And after, scroll it down again until we'll find the accessibility menu. Tap on it. Now just activate the accessibility menu shortcut like this, yeah guys. Now tap on allow and OK. And this is what I mean. This is the accessibility button. If you want to change it, you just have to tap on this accessibility menu shortcut. Now tap on more options. And now for the location, you can change, yeah guys. I'm gonna change it to the navigations bar, and it will be look like this at the navigations bar at the bottom. This is the accessibility button. So if you use the first one, which is floating over other apps like this, like before, you can also here change for the size, I guess. Here, as you can see, I use the small one. If you want to change it to the large one, you just have to choose the second options like this. It will be bigger than before. And also here you can adjust for the transparency. You just have to shifting like this. It's more transparent. And then here for the fat, when not in use, you can activate it or not. If I activate it, if I don't use the button, here will be automatically transparent as that I have adjusted like this, yeah guys. If you don't use it, if you don't activate, it will be solid like this every time. So yeah, I think it's enough from me. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.